stops. Usually talking too quick after a meal, that's when it happens. Hey, Tony, you put that soffit up there in your garage. That is some nasty tasting shit, ain't it? That is min shit right there. Because you got to read it right away. You go, Hey, Tony, you got some mineral spirits I can gargle with out here? You never think about his feelings a foot in front of you going, what the hell was that all about? I think I saw your sternum come out of there, man. Wouldn't you just love to be able to bring that bad boy up for the dentist? Morning, Doc. Why don't you floss that, you clap bastard? It's been a great time here. Thank you all very much.